This April storm caused a real mess on the roads. Take a look at this crash in Nashua. You can see this dumpster crashed on the Everett Turnpike, slamming into a support pole for one of those overhead signs. Happened this morning near exit 4. The southbound lanes were closed while crews got the sign out of there. State police say additional repairs are being made. They're encouraging drivers to take it slow. It was a similar scene in the Worcester area. People there say the snow has been relentless, forcing a last-minute school cancellation and a mad scramble for many parents. NBC 10's Oscar Margain has been out in this mess all day. Don't worry, he's built for it. Oscar, tell us what you saw today.
Well, the good news, Glenn, is that, yes, the snow and the rain have stopped falling. And I want to have you take a look here behind me. This is downtown Worcester. This is what's left of that snow. Now, the folks that we spoke to here today say they're used to this kind of nasty weather. But this time around, parents telling me here that it was particularly difficult.
It was like, okay, now the scramble's really on.
Emily Ojeda was not planning to play Connect 4 with her son on Thursday morning. She, like many parents in Worcester, woke up to snow and news that school was delayed. But that 2-hour delay turned into a cancellation, announced 2 hours before school start.
It's almost as unprecedented as an April snowstorm.
The YMCA downtown also scrambling to get staff in earlier to run an all-day program while parents go to work.
I cannot remember a time where they've canceled school so late in the morning.
It was very icy, very slick. More so than I had thought.
Santa Lavana putting in some extra hours to clear the slushy roads.
I started sanding last night around midnight, and so I worked all day yesterday, last night, and through today.
I mean, honestly, this is what I'm expecting in April. Come on, some blue skies, it's a little bit of paradise, maybe even a little bit of green. Definitely wish to be here, for example, but instead, this is what we get in Worcester. The April nor'easter bringing down more than snow and rain.
There was probably half dozen accidents within the city itself. I know there were a number more on the highways. We had 5 trees come down. About another half dozen limbs were reported down.
For those out there braving the weather, all they can think of is when they're going to catch a break.
I've been maybe taking 15 minutes here and there, but I'll crash tonight for sure.
Now, this snow right here did give a hard time to both parents and also crews, but it also caused the Polar Park to shut down and the Woo Sox game to be postponed. Their first snow out. Reporting live in Worcester, Oscar Margain, NBC 10 Boston.
Oscar, we enjoy the filter backgrounds, right? The one
sure
at the beach
did.
with the palm trees.
Take me there.
All right, well, the snow wasn't the only problem. Strong winds knocked out power to thousands of homes. So right now, MEMA is reporting more than 9,400 customers are in the dark here in Massachusetts. Meanwhile, in New Hampshire, nearly 150,000 people are without power.
Welcome back. Coastal flooding is nothing new here in Massachusetts. We seem to get it all the time. Flooded streets and massive waves are a common sight with a storm like the one that we had today.
Well, even still, people who live along Salisbury Beach, you can imagine they're keeping a close eye on those waves tonight as the wind begins to die down. Our NBC 10's Eli Rosenberg spoke with homeowners today. He's joining us live from the coast. Eli, now that everything is dying down, how's the swell?
Well, Priscilla, the wind may be dying down, but concern is growing tonight because of the waves right here. They are getting closer and closer on Salisbury Beach. High tide is about an hour away, and that's a big concern considering what this city has been through today. We have seen flooded roads. We have seen waves crashing into houses. We've seen some damage on the beach, including this right here. This is some fencing from a house right there. It has been a busy day here in Salisbury. Salisbury Beach hit hard again. This, the power of the latest nor'easter to hit here.
Mother Nature's a little angry.
For a time, it was touch and go in Salisbury. Streets closed, neighborhoods surrounded by water.
I'm trying to get home. I live right over there, and I can't get there, obviously. This is just absolutely crazy.
We're in the heart of Salisbury right now, and it is really coming down. That is the ocean over my shoulder, so several blocks away, but look at all of the sea foam that is gathered here. And then there is this, a buoy, a long way from home. It gives you a sense of the surge that moved through this morning.
This is what it's like to be a New Englander. Quintessential April spring day. nor'easter.
This is the third major nor'easter to hit Salisbury in recent weeks. Winds today topping 55 miles an hour. But unlike the times before, the dunes in place to protect homes along the beach, for the most part, held.
Considering what we got, we are lucky. You know, the dune did its job.
In town, the owner of Salisbury Discount House with a lonely day at work.
I'm disappointed. It's another storm. It's another big storm. It's 3 in a row that have been devastating.
While outside, Eric Katsigas and his family, dog included, trying to stay warm in their minivan.
This has some heat for us, you know, because honestly, the power's out, so we have no heat. Thought everyone was getting worked up for nothing, and now we have no power for like 8 hours.
And take a look at this for a second. The waves out here really churning as we approach high tide around 8 o'clock tonight. As those who live on this stretch are hoping finally, because checks watch, it's April, to finally dry out. Live in Salisbury, Eli Rosenberg, NBC 10 Boston.